What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. On today's video, we're going to be working on my XF. As you can see, we got it right here, right in front of me. And so today, I don't know if you guys remember, I talked about releasing a belt wrap kit for this car, and that was like 6 months ago. That was at the end of last year. So I'm back to give you guys a little update. So the kit works. I'm just having a little bit of belt slip. As you can see, there's a lot of material from the belt all around the engine, and I just cleaned it not too long ago. I have to clean this every week, so it gets really annoying. But I am having some belt slip still after the belt wrap kit, and as you can see, it wraps around the upper pulley really nice, but it's still slipping. And then I got that upgraded tensioner. This is an upgraded tensioner. It might look stock, but it is upgraded. So this is an upgraded tensioner, along with my belt wrap kit, and still slipping. So I gotta figure this out first before I release this kit to you guys. And I was gonna fit that crank pulley over there, but again, like I said, I gotta fix this first before I do anything up to the car. And the reason why I know it's slipping is because sometimes on my data logs I see this car makes over 20 pounds of boost. Sometimes it only makes 16 and a half, 17 pounds of boost. So that tells me right there it's slipping, plus all this rubber material all around the engine. The time I went to the track this last time, we did a 10-3 at 136, and that was only on 17 pounds of boost. So I can't imagine if we see the 20 pounds of boost at the track. I'm guessing 100 and over 140 miles, based on my eighth mile mile per hour, which is 110. 110 in the eighth, that's 140 in the quarter, for those that know about drag racing. So it's losing mile per hour after the fourth gear, and I can feel it, and that's because the engine is seeing a lot more load. Wanted to give you guys a little update. I am missing an idler pulley right here down at the bottom. Sometimes I've been thinking it might be my crank pulley that's slipping and not the upper, because I don't have a idler pulley down here. And I've been looking at the forums, the CTSV forums, the Ford forums, and they all got idler pulleys on the crank and on the upper pulleys. So there's a possibility that the crank pulley is slipping. So I'm gonna go ahead and install a bigger idler pulley down here at the bottom and test. If that doesn't help, then I'm gonna probably have to upgrade to a much bigger, stronger tensioner. That's not the stock tensioner. The stock tensioner is right here. So I do have an upgraded tensioner already. So, and it does look like I have to get an even stronger one. I just wanted to give you guys a little update on why I haven't released this kit. I want this thing to work, and I want it to work for you guys as well. So once I get all this figured out, then I'll let you guys know. I'll probably make another video and show you guys the gain and boost and power, so that way you guys can see. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated once I figure this out. It's not gonna take long, probably a week, probably a month the most. I kind of already know what's happening. So I got two things that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the lower idle pulley for the crank pulley, and then I'm gonna upgrade it to the upgraded tensioner, and I'm 100% sure that's gonna fix the issue. I already got the belt wrap around the pulley. I just need to upgrade the tensioner, put a bigger idler pulley right next to the crank pulley. So and that should be it, honestly. If it still slips, then I'm thinking of just going with 10 rib, honestly, and see what happens. But yeah, I'm gonna do this first, and if it doesn't help, then I'll go with the 10 rib. And all this, I'm gonna film all this so you guys can see what's going on. And yeah, so let me know what you guys think, and if you have any ideas, hit me up. And thank you guys for watching.